Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn direct and indirect speech, and we can call it narrations. Both are same. So, before starting the rules of direct and indirect speech, let's try to understand what is direct speech and what is indirect speech. For example, आपका और आपके फ्रेंड्स के बीच में कन्वर्सेशन हुआ है एंड आफ्टर सम टाइम यू हैव टू टेल अबाउट द कन्वर्सेशन टू समवन. So here is you have two options. In first option, you will tell the exact word of the speaker who is your friend. You will not change the pronouns and tenses. First option में क्या होगा, आप क्या करोगे, आपके फ्रेंड ने आपसे जो बोला है आप सेम वो ही वर्ड्स आकर के किसी और को बता देते हो. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड डायरेक्ट स्पीच. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, प्रिया सेड आई वॉन्ट टू मीट योर पेरेंट्स. आपके फ्रेंड ने आपसे बोला कि आई वॉन्ट टू मीट योर पेरेंट्स, कि मैं आपके पेरेंट्स से मिलना चाहती हूँ, और आपने आकर के उसके साथ ये ही वर्ड्स किसी और को बता दिए. सेम सेंटेंस, यू डिडंट चेंज इन प्रोनाउंस एंड टेंसेस, एग्जैक्ट वर्ड आपने आकर के किसी और को बोल दिया. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड डायरेक्ट स्पीच. सैम यही सेंटेंस किसी और को बोला कि आई वॉन्ट टू मीट योर पेरेंट्स. ओके, एंड इन नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन you will modify the words of the speaker by using certain conjunctions, and you can change tenses and pronoun also. सेकेंड ऑप्शन में आपके स्पीकर ने, आपके फ्रेंड ने जो वर्ड्स आपसे बोले हैं, आप सेम एग्जैक्ट वर्ड्स आकर के किसी और को नहीं बताते हो. आप उसमें चेंजेस करोगे, वो टेंसेस से रिलेटेड चेंजेस या फिर प्रोनाउंस रिलेटेड चेंजेस, एंड यू विल यूज सर्टेन कंजक्शंस लाइक दैट. ओके, let's take one more example of direct speech. Seema said, I am a doctor. Okay, Seema said, I am a doctor. सीमा ने कहा कि मैं डॉक्टर हूँ. ओके, और उसने ये सैम आपको बताया सीमा ने, और आपने सैम सेंटेंस, सैम वर्ड्स जा करके किसी और को बोल दिया. आई एम सीमा सेड दैट सीमा सेड आई एम अ डॉक्टर. ओके, एन इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच, द सेंटेंस विल बी सीमा सेड दैट शी वाज अ डॉक्टर. So what is happening here? Here we have used that, and this I got converted into she, and this am man verb got converted in was. Okay, this is in present tense and this is in past tense. Okay, so this is our direct and this is indirect. In direct speech we have two parts. First one is and the second is. This part is called reporting verb. Let's take another example. Seema said, I am going to market. So this part is reporting verb. We can call it reporting verb, and this part is reported speech. We can call it reported speech. Okay. Next, the difference between direct and indirect speech. Difference between direct and indirect speech. First is direct speech and this is indirect speech. Okay, so the very first difference is in direct speech we use exact word of the speaker. Okay, we don't change tenses and then pronouns, and in indirect speech we modify the words of the speaker by using certain conjunctions and pronoun and tenses. Okay, and the second difference is in direct speech we use quotation mark. This one is we use quotation mark, means inverted commas. In direct speech we use inverted comma. Okay, and in indirect speech we don't use inverted comma. Okay, so this is the difference between direct speech and indirect speech. Next, rules related to change the direct part into indirect part. Indirect part. Okay, so here is 3 rules. So very first, pronoun related changes. The second is tense related changes. And the third is time and place related changes. Okay, so let's see in the sentence in this direct speech, Seema said, I'm a doctor. And in an indirect speech, Seema said that. Here we are using that conjunction. And this I got converted into she and this am got converted into was. So in direct speech, and this is direct speech and this is indirect speech. Here we are changing the words of the speaker by using certain conjunctions and pronouns and tenses. Okay, so today is it. Tomorrow I will teach to you the rules of direct and indirect speech, pronouns related changes and tense related changes. So in next video we will learn these 2 changes in detail. Okay, so keep watching and keep learning.